Okay, so how do you hang wallpaper in the corner? You justify it from the left. I'm going toward the right. I made sure that my left side is plumb. I put a level up against it. I made sure that it was plumb. I get the whole sheet. Don't worry about the right-hand side. You just leave it free. Just leave it like that, okay? Because a lot of you guys are doing this. You're worried about this, getting this in place, and you're making a mess of your wallpaper. You can't know what's going to happen until you get the left side done first. So please, don't do that. Just take your time. Take your time here. Now, here's what determines whether or not you cut your corner. There's only one reason why you should be cutting your corner. One reason alone. And that is if the corner is so bad that it throws your pattern off onto the next wall. And your corner is so crooked, you'll see that your pattern is sometimes way, way off. You don't want that. You don't want that. So we're going to see. If I can keep doing this, I'll be good. You're looking at a very fine wallpaper from Phillip Jeffries. Okay, folks, couple of things I want to tell you. It's going good so far in my corner, okay? Look, how do I know it's going good? My corner is in. My paper is right up against the corner. I got no buckles. I got no buckles this way. I got no buckles this way. Keep going up. And let's see if we can get away without cutting the corner. It's a lot of work to cut the corner. I don't want to do it. Keep going this way, left, right. Beautiful so far. I'm halfway up the wall and I have no buckles, but here I go. I got some issues coming up. Let's see if I can work them out. If I can work them out, I don't have to cut it. But I got a little trick for you anyway. Because we're good halfway up, I'm not going to cut the wallpaper all the way from top to bottom. No way. Too much work. And it violates the integrity of the corner anyway. If I have an issue, I'll just cut it from the middle up. Why cut the whole thing? Right or wrong? Okay. Let's see. Back up. Come in here again. Very good. Okay, folks, let's see. I'm going to spray it a little bit. Why? Water prevents friction on the surface. So it helps not to scratch the wallpaper. Okay, guys, I'm getting buckles here. Can they see those buckles? Can they see them?
Yes.
Okay, let's try to work them out. You gotta use your hands and think about it. How do you get those buckles out? So you can get them out without cutting the paper. You gotta work them. Okay, guys, come on. We can do this, I think. Wow. We're a little off here. If you use a smoother, you might put a permanent crease. Think about when you're ironing a shirt. and then you should iron over a wrinkle, you know how hard it is to get the wrinkle out, right? Same idea. Oh, I don't iron, okay. Well, those of you who do, just kidding. I don't iron, what are you talking about ironing for? I thought this was a wallpaper channel. Hey! Guess what, folks? I don't have to cut it. I worked out the wrinkles. I worked them out sufficiently. I did what I call finesse. Can somebody do me a favor and look up the word finesse? Finesse. And just leave the definition of finesse in the comments section below so that we can both have a vocabulary lesson and a wallpaper lesson at the same time. Thank you. Okay, guys, we got the wrinkles out, we got the buckles out. Now, let me just show you. We do not have to cut this paper, okay? And you don't want to have to cut it anyway. I want to show you. One more time. Push that paper into the corner. Make sure your left is justified, meaning that it's all squared away and nice. Now, straight away. Don't go down or up. Straight. 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 Now, did anybody notice on the video that we have a little problem here? Show them this. You see that? That is the slightest manifestation of a crooked corner right there. We're going to work that out. Pull it up, push it down, pull it up. Nice. It's gone. And can somebody do me a favor? Just put the definition of the word perfect in the comment section. You make me feel good. Thank you. Okay, guys. This is Spencer Colgan from Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper. Thanks for watching. That's how you hang wallpaper in the corner without cutting your corner. See you on the next one.